Hello everyone, myself Tanu Maheshwari and today we are presenting our skit on topic Union Budget 2021 to 22. This is the current and most important topic of our country. You might wonder what budget is. Budget is where to spend, how much to spend, how to get the money to spend. While presenting the Union Budget for 2021 to 22, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that the budget proposal for this financial year rests on 6 pillars: health and well-being, physical and financial capital, and infrastructure, inclusive development for aspirational Indian, reinvigorating human capital, innovative R&D, and minimum government, maximum governance.
Hey Anishka, what are you thinking about?
Budget. Do you know something about that?
No, I don't know anything about that. Let us discuss with them.
Yeah.
Hey guys, hi. How are you?
Fine. I want to ask you something.
What?
Have you know something about budget?
Budget? Why you want to know about that?
Because my father and uncle is always talking about budget.
Yeah, I also saw in television and newspaper there is lot of news about budget.
I know something about budget.
What?
I saw in the Kapil Sharma show, he always used to say that his show's budget is very high.
लगा मेरा मजाक
Not that budget, country's budget.
Actually, let me explain you.
Budget is a list of government's income and expenses. Each minister makes a list of how much fund they need and submit it to the finance minister by the month of September. The finance minister work on this demand from this September to January. On 1st February, the budget is presented by finance minister in the Lok Sabha.
It's quite interesting.
Yeah, why don't we further explore?
Yes, then tomorrow 5 p.m.
Yeah, sure.
Hey Shraddha, what happened? Nothing.
Are you thinking about that incident?
Which incident? Actually, when we were coming.
Start.
Hey, please give me that bottle.
अरे ये बॉटल दे दो. धन्यवाद.
I'm very tensed about their condition. They must get proper education.
You know what? In this budget, there are many reforms in the education sector.
Really? What?
Like 100 new Sainik schools to be set up, 750 Eklavya schools to be set up in tribal areas, a central university to become up in Ladakh, and scholarships increased for SC, ST and OBC students.
I hope this will improve their conditions and slum children will get proper education.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Hey, why are you so late?
I was at the petrol pump to fill the tank.
I heard that petrol prices also rises.
Yeah.
Fuel prices at an all-time high in our country. People were demanding reduction of fuel taxes, which doesn't happen. On the other hand, income tax was not increased in any other form. If you are above than 75 years of age, then no need to file. Even the main focus of this year's budget is to develop our country's infrastructure. Also, capital expenditure of Rs 5.54 lakh crore has been proposed in this budget. Metros will now expand to Tier 2 cities as well. Plus, government has set a target to complete electrification of railways by the year 2023. Railways got 53% capital expenditure. Road Ministry got 32% increase in capital.
Why don't you come coaching last evening?
I had visited to my aunt in the village because she was suffering from typhoid. But what actually hurts me is the low health facilities in the village, because of which her health deteriorates day by day.
I think this budget will improve their health facilities because in this budget, a new scheme titled PM Atmanirbhar Swasth Bharat Yojana to be launched to develop primary, secondary, tertiary health care. Mission Poshan 2.0 to improve nutritional outcomes across 112 aspirational districts. Jal Jeevan Mission Urban aimed at better water supply nationwide. Rupees 35,000 crore for COVID-19 vaccinations.
For all this development, from where the government will arrange the money? Because taxes is also not increased.
Apart from direct and indirect taxes, the government can sell its asset and also raise money for spending, and they plan to do it in this budget. In fancy language, it is known as strategic disinvestment. In 2021, the government wants to raise rupees 1.75 lakh crore from this investment exercise. Some government companies make profit, but most of make losses. For example, LIC is India's biggest life insurance company. This year, the government plans to bring the LIC IPO. It will sell a small stake to the public and investors to raise the fund for all the increased spendings.
Because of lockdown, many people lost their jobs. So how will this budget helpful for them?
A portal to be launched to maintain information on gig workers and construction workers. Social security to be extended to gig and platform workers. Margin capital required for loans via Stand Up India scheme reduced from 25% to 15% for SCs, STs and women. Our country's biggest asset is an informed citizen who know what is happening around him or her and can discuss what is right or wrong. Based on that, the biggest liability is an uninformed citizen who doesn't understand what is happening around and to keep you in the first category. Make a difference to me.